Hello students, welcome in the ninth class chapter People as Resource. In this chapter you have come to know that here people means population and resource means asset or a thing which is useful for us. Now today we are going to learn about the economic activity, or you can say the three sectors of the economy. In this chapter, first of all, you have learned about the two stories, Vilas and Sakal. Like Vilas and Sakal, people have been engaged in various activities. We saw Vilas sold fish and Sakal got a job in the farm. So these are the various activities. We will classify into three main sectors. These are the sectors of the economy. First is primary sector, second is secondary sector, and third is tertiary sector. Primary sector means at the primary level, the things which we get from the nature. Includes agriculture, forestry, animal husbandry, fishing, poultry, farming, and mining. These all comes in the primary sector. Quarrying and manufacturing is included in the secondary sector. It means when we convert the natural things, raw material, into the final goods, that comes in the secondary sector. Trade, transport, communication, banking, education, health, tourism, services, insurance, etc. are included in the tertiary sector. And this sector is called also service sector because this sector gives the service to both sectors, primary and secondary. The activities in this sector result in the production of goods and services. These activities add value to the national income. These activities are called economic activities. As I have told you earlier also, there is a difference between economic and non-economic activities. Economic activities adds value to the national income, but non-economic don't add the value to the national income. Economic activities have two parts, market activities and non-market activities. Market activities involve remuneration to anyone who performs, that is activity performed for pay or profit. See, there is difference between market activities and non-market activities. Activities performed for pay or profit is called market. These include production of goods or services, include government service. And non-market activities are the production for self-consumption. These can be consumption and processing of primary product and own account production of fixed assets. Here you can see the examples that if some activities are done for profit, for example, if a doctor see cure his own child, it comes in the non-market activities. But if a doctor see the patient of outside, cures outside, then he will take the fee. That will come in the market activity. If your mother does her work, domestic work, their own, then it will come in the non-market activity. But if if this work is done by maid, this will come in the market activity. So this is the difference between the market and non-market activity. When the activity is done for profit, that is called market activity, and if the activity is done for self consumption, it will come in the non-market activity. See her picture also. In these pictures some activities are shown. So students, you have to classify into three sectors, which are the primary, which is the secondary, and which is the tertiary. Thank you.